If you are looking for any strategy or if you are searching for any method to help you avoid making mistakes while talking in English, then please watch this video till the end. Why? Because today I have come up with an excellent technique that you could follow and which can really help us or which can really enhance our fluency. Okay, so please watch the video until the end without pausing. And the technique is nothing but Pomodoro technique, guys. Yeah, I think some of you guys may have known this technique already, and some of you guys may not. Okay, so to the persons who doesn't know, just let me give you a brief explanation on what Pomodoro technique actually is. Okay, and it is a actually Pomodoro means it is an Italian word for tomato. Okay, and Pomodoro technique is a time management method, okay, that involves splitting of your work time into 25 minutes. Yes, actually this is nothing but breaking down a large task into smaller ones so that we could do it effectively and efficiently, and this technique will definitely help us increase our productivity, right? So this technique will definitely help us a lot, guys. In not only this technique is not only made for the study or not only made for for work. This can be also used to improve our English, but how? Yes, now the question is how to implement this technique in our life, everyday life, and how to use this Pomodoro technique to improve our fluency or to avoid or to help avoid making mistakes. Okay, right? So yes, now I will tell you how to use this technique in our daily life. So actually what you have to do, guys, one thing that is to set 25 minutes your time aside every single day. Okay, you need a timer. Actually you need to set a timer for 25 minutes, and after that 25 minutes you need to after just thinking, you have to think about a topic, okay, or any random topic, what you can talk, or if it is about a thing, or if it is about any movie, or if it is about any Bollywood actor, singer, you can just pick out any random topic. Okay, it just depends on you. You need to pick out a topic, and next thing is, after setting 25 minutes, you need to start timer, and after that you need to start recording yourself, it can be your audio or it can be your video as well. If you're not comfortable with a video recording, then just go for audio recording. Okay, for 25 minutes we have to just give our full attention to that 25 in that whole 25 minutes. Okay, you should not get distracted even for a single minute, guys. You should keep on talking for the whole 25 minutes. Why? Because it increases our attention if we just focus on one thing for 25 minutes, and we should not take any break in the middle, and we should keep on continuing on talking. Okay, of course, it may sound difficult at first. Why? Because we all love to live in our comfort zone, right? We always love to do what we love to do. But sometimes we have to step out of our comfort zone. Okay. Of course, sometimes we feel like a fish out of the water, means like a very uncomfortable. We don't even feel like listening to our voice, because sometimes I know that it feels very creepy, it feels odd to listen to our voice, but it will give you a lot of like improvement, guys. Just believe me, because nowadays I started doing this and started experimenting this technique, and of course I have observed a lot of improvement actually. Yeah, I will tell you how am I doing. Of course, I'm just setting a 25 minutes timer, like I'm just recording myself in a video, and after 25 minutes the timer starts ringing, right? And then I stop the timer, and then what will I do? I just take a 5 minutes break, and then I watch my video, whatever I recorded in that particular time. Okay, after watching that video, what am I getting is, I'm just getting where am I making mistakes and one thing, and where am I just taking a pauses, or just losing sentences, or just losing some time to just think about, to just think, to get some words of like sentences. Okay, and that's when I just found out, whenever I'm watching those videos, I'm finding that video, I'm just finding myself, this is where I'm making mistakes, and this is where I'm just lagging behind. Okay, and that is why, that is how I'm rectifying my mistakes, and that is how I'm improving, I'm enhancing my English every day. Okay, so you should also follow the same method, guys, to improve your fluency and to improve your English as well. Okay, yeah, it will help you to find mistakes. It is the best technique to use to help us avoid making mistakes. Because I'm not telling you guys that I don't do mistakes. Of course I do a lot of mistakes. Who knows like how many mistakes I'm doing now while recording this video, right? So I can never say that I'm not doing any mistake. And of course, we all know that mistakes are common and mistakes are inevitable, right? We cannot avoid them. So you just ignore the mistakes, guys, and that's what I also do. And yeah, so just try to use this technique, guys, because you can see a lot of growth in your English language and mistakes, particularly about mistakes, because whenever we listen to our recording, then we get to know particularly where we are doing mistake. Okay, so just try to follow this technique, and it will definitely make wonders in your journey. Okay, so all you got to do is just set your time for 25 minutes and talk on any random topic for that 25 minutes until the time ends. That's what all you got to do. So there is nothing like a big deal for in this technique, right? So just do it. And it's all about and you know what, guys, this technique is a best technique. Actually, Pomodoro technique is really good, guys. Why? Because doing something small in a short period of time is a lot easier than taking on big tasks all at once, right? So I would love to, and I would definitely recommend you guys to just start doing experimenting this technique from today on, and start, please, and start improving yourself. Okay, so what are you guys waiting for? Just go and pick out any random topic and talk to yourself, and until the time ends. And just don't forget to listen to that voice, to listen to that recording, whatever you have recorded. Then on, why? Because then only you get to know where are you making mistakes. Okay, and please repeat the process. Okay, so yeah, that's all about this technique, guys. This technique will definitely enhance your English fluency and help you making mistake, avoid making mistakes. So please try to follow it and just give it a shot, and let me know in the comment section below how you are experiencing